हेलो सर, आ गए क्लास में।
Rahul Reddy, mute yourself.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Just wait for 1 minute. Recorded. Okay. This one. Did we have any class on 1st January? Hello?
Yes sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
had one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, first
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ओके
Yes.
just take a minute. 4th January. Just wait 1 minute. अटेंडेंस चाहिए, अटेंडेंस निकाल लेता हूँ. अटेंडेंस okay. Now let's share my window. Is it visible at your end? My screen is visible at your end?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let's try to learn something. Okay. Let me check again whether the recording is going on or not. Yes, recording is going on. Okay, let's start. In the last class we have tried to learn half adder. Agree? We have learned how to form the circuit or how to perform, that means what is the operation of a half adder. Agree? We have learned this one under combinational circuit. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today
Yes.
we will no कौन बोल रहा है भाई? We learn.
Explain again, sir. It was not much clear.
Okay, it was not clear. Okay, I will explain again. Okay, it's okay. Today is date is Jan 4. So it will be so it is a brush up. Okay, so suppose I have two input x and y, and I am taking the output. Suppose it is the sum denoted by s, and it is the carry, if we have any carry, denoted by c. Suppose 0 and 0, so 0 plus 0, what is the resultant?
Zero.
So I am
Zero, sir.
asking to that student who faced difficulty. Okay, somebody pointed na it was not clear for him, so it is, the class is only for him. Okay, I'm requesting to don't give reply. Okay, please you reply. What is the value of 0 plus 0?
0.
Okay, so sum is 0. Now 0 plus 1, what is the output? That means
1.
addition 1. Very good. Then 1 plus 0,
It will be
Bolo?
also 1.
1. Very good. Then 1 plus 1,
Sum will be 0 and carry will be 1.
carry 1. Yes. Now the thing is that in this box here we do not have any data. That means we have 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now depending on x and y, suppose I want to find s. So what I will do, I will make one K map. Here we have how many rows? 4 rows. So here in this way I will make here x, here y. So 0 1 0 1. So this row, second row, 0 1, then output is 1. If it is 0 1, so 0 1 means, so here, agree? Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now focus on row number 3. 1 0, again output is 1. So 1 0 means this one. Output is 1. So now here we do not have any simplification procedure because we have to isolate it. Okay, they are not adjacent. So that's why we do not have the scope to simplify. If we have the scope of simplification, we will perform the simplification. Otherwise, we will write the answer directly, s equal to nothing but this box. This box means x y prime. Agree? And this box means nothing but x prime y. So I will write x prime y.
Yes,
it is
sir.
simply written x XOR of y. In this similar way, I can easily map C. This is for C, okay? Because finally what happened? I have only two data set input. I have to generate carry and sum. So here y, so it is 0 and 1. Here it is 0, 1. So only fourth row, we have only 1. So 1 plus 1, that is carry 1. So 1 1 means this box. So C is nothing but these boxes. So it is x y. So from this now we have the diagram for S and C. So I have two input. It should be XOR. So XOR gate is nothing but this kind of gate. So it is X, it is Y. So here I am getting S, sum. Then I have to obtain the carry C. So I need one AND gate. So it should be carry. Now it should be ANDed. So X and Y. So X and Y. So this is my input, this is my output. Now in the last class we have learned, if we make one black box, where we are showing only input and output data set, and all this circuitry, that means gates, are blocked by this black box. So this block diagram is simply drawn. Let's use red color. It's simply drawn over here. So we have this one, X and Y. So these boxes, and we have S and C. These boxes is called half adder. So this is nothing but half adder. Now is it clear?
Yes,
Sir, I have
sir.
a doubt.
Okay. What is
Sir,
your doubt, Bolo?
Sir, here in the both K maps, we have to only mention that XY pair only when sum or carry equals to 1.
Yes, because
Yes.
in K-map we normally use either 0 combination or 1 combination.
Yes,
We
sir,
prefer
yes.
always
Okay.
1 combination because it is a sum of product form. Okay, if you want
Okay.
to product of sum form, then you have to use 0. Okay, it will be lengthy operation, but we do not prefer to use this one. We always prefer to sum of product, SOP form, because it uses 1. Okay, it is a compact expression. Okay, but both will give the same answer. Don't worry. Okay. So
Okay,
can you
sir,
move?
thank
Can you move to the next slide? Can you move to the next slide? जाऊं आगे जाऊं?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
हाँ,
why
very
it
good.
called
Yes,
half
sir.
adder?
Why? Because
Sir.
the thing is that here the carry is, suppose I am giving, it is a 0 1 plus 1. How many bits are there? 1 bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here it is also 1 bit. If I add, my output will be 0, but carry another bit. So 2 bit operations I have to, that means 2 bit I have to display, but it is a 1 bit operation. I cannot show 2 bit as output. So my output will be, that means only 0 will be reflected in my output port. So here carry is not accounted in this addition procedure. So that's why it is called half adder. Let me cover another topic where carry will be added. Then it will be called a full adder. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So let's start. Now full adder. Now in the half adder, we have X, we are giving X and we are giving Y in the input. Then from the output we got S and carry. Agree? Now suppose I am assuming we have some another bit. Suppose it is Z, and this Z can be assumed as it is a carry bit from another addition. Can we assume this one? Because if we perform X plus Y plus Z, then this Z operation, this addition of Z can be considered, this Z has been generated from the other kind of addition operation, because we have already learned addition of 2 bit is nothing but a half adder. So whenever we are trying to add with X plus Y with another kind of data, any data doesn't matter. Okay, so this third data can be considered it is a carry generated from another operation. So that's why the full adder consists of x plus y plus z form, where I can write this simple expression in this way: x plus y plus z, where this is nothing but a half adder, normal simple half adder. Then this addition, that means plus z addition, is nothing but it can be considered as a carry bit which is generated from other operation, and this carry bit has to be added with this one. Okay, so in this way, whenever we are trying to add 3 bit, then it calls a full adder. Okay, now in the similar way, you can extend the, if we know the 3 bit addition, we can easily perform the 4 bit addition. If we know 4 bit, we can perform 5 bit. So in this way, we can easily extend. Okay, but the addition of 2 bit is nothing but a half adder. Addition of more than 2 bit is, that means in simple form, addition of 3 bit, it is a full adder. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Can you proceed in the truth table?
Yes,
okay. Now
Yes,
suppose
sir.
here my input will be 3 variable. So here let's write x, y, z. Then I can write normal it is a 3 bit operation. So 3 bit operation means 2 to the power 3, that means 8 combination. So this 8 combination can be written in this way: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Then all x 0 in the first x yz combination, and for last 4 yz combination x is 1. Okay, now let's write sum and let's write carry. Now you focus. Okay, one by one. Today, what is the date today? Today is 4th
January.
4th January. CE55. CE55 absent. CE55 absent. 14.
Present, sir.
What is your name?
Soumya Sapalya.
Okay, good. So you are present. Okay. Now you tell me the first row. What is the addition? 0 plus 0 plus 0. What will be the sum and carry? Just
Sir,
try.
both are 0, sir.
Yes, both are 0, because 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 means 0. Then again it is x, it is y. Then again I am adding z. So z. So again, sorry, z is 0. So 0 plus 0. So carry is also 0. Very good. Very good. Okay. CH95. CH95 absent. CH95 absent. 14 is absent. CH623. CH623
Yes, sir.
absent.
Yes, sir. I'm
6.
present.
Okay, okay. What is your name?
Suchitra Murmu.
Okay, very good. Now tell me the second row. First perform 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. What is the sum and carry? 0 plus 0.
0.
Sum and carry both
Sum-
0. Then yes. Then
Sum is 1. C equal to 0.
excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good, very good, very good.
Sir,
Yes.
so CH95 means CH0095.
Obviously.
Sir, I am confused about the roll numbers.
Huh?
Sir, I am
Okay, let's
confused.
talk about. Okay. Suchitra, what is your roll number? Suchitra, what is your roll number?
CH0623.
No, what did I call? What did I call? CH623, na?
Yes, sir. 623.
Yes. So it is a basic thing. It's okay. Shashwat, it is a basic thing. It is not mandatory to talk about all the 4 digits. So I am giving you present, but
Oh,
you have
sir.
to be attentive, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a basic thing. Okay. Just try the third row. Try the third row. What is the sum and carry? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. कितना होगा बोलो?
Sir, 1 and 1.
0 plus 1, 1. Then again
Zero.
add 0.
1, 0.
Again add 0.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1.
1. So sum कितना होगा?
1.
Carry कितना होगा?
1.
Both 1.
Sir, 0, 0, sir, 0. 0, 0.
Why 0? Why not 1?
Sir? Sir, carry कुछ
Carry
हुआ ही
कितना
नहीं, sir.
हाँ तो 0 होगा ना, तो 1
Yes,
क्यों
sir.
बोल रहे थे?
Sir,
ठीक है,
0
very
होगा.
good.
Yes.
ठीक है, very good, very good. CS 199. CS 199 absent. CS 199 absent.
सर प्रेजेंट सर
ओके, नाम बोलो क्या है?
सिद्धार्थ नारायण
ठीक है, बोलो फोर्थ रो बोलो क्या होगा?
सर
carry
सम
कितना
इज
होगा?
0 and carry is 1
Very good, very good. Up to this fourth row, is there any doubt for any student? Up to this fourth row, is there any doubt for any student? Okay, very good. Now, so I'm not giving extra marks, don't worry, okay? So EC 863, EC 863 absent, EC 863 absent.
present.
नाम बोलो.
Present.
Tell me your name. हाँ,
Charan.
full name. Full name.
Sai Charan.
ठीक है. You are not giving proxy ना?
Sir?
You are not giving proxy ना?
No, sir.
ओके, ठीक है. नाउ फिफ्थ रो बोलो क्या होगा आंसर? कैरी क्या होगा, सम क्या होगा? फर्स्ट बोलो सम क्या कितना होगा?
Sum is 1, sir.
एंड कैरी?
0.
Very good, very good, excellent. Okay, let's talk about EE1087, 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 EE1087 absent. आज डेट कितना है? 14 में absent. EE1087 absent. EI887, EI887, EI887. Okay. हाँ, EI887 90. हाँ बोलो. 6 रो कितना होगा?
सर
सम कितना होगा, कैरी कितना होगा बोलो?
सम 0 carry 1.
Very good, excellent, very good. What is your roll number? 887 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then FP1055, 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 FP1055. हाँ बोलो. क्या होगा? सेवेंथ रो बोलो. सेवेंथ रो कितना होगा?
सर विच रो सर?
सेवेंथ रो, दिस रो, सेवेंथ रो कितना होगा? सम और कैरी. सम बोलो पहले कितना होगा?
सम इज इक्वल टू 1 0.
Sum equal to 1 or 0?
0 sir.
And carry? And carry? And carry? Okay, let's proceed. ME311, ME311.
Yes sir.
हाँ बोलो. हाँ सेवेंथ रो बोलो. सेवेंथ रो क्या होगा?
0 and 1.
हाँ 0 1. वेरी गुड. वो उसका माइक आई थिंक साउंड मतलब इंटरनेट कनेक्शन डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 720CH 1031, 720CH 1031, 720CH 1031. हाँ लास्ट रो बोलो कितना होगा? हाँ लास्ट रो बोलो कितना होगा?
Sum is 1 and carry is also 1.
Very good, very good. Up to this, for any student, is there any doubt? Up to this, for any student, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Any student
No,
is
sir.
facing any issue? Okay, very good. Now let's try to simplify. Suppose I want to simplify first S. Okay, I want to simplify first S. As we do not have space, that's why I am using this one. So here I am writing only X, here writing Y, Z, 0 and 1. So it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now I think this will be up to this. Is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt? Because we have to simplify this one, then we can easily express this term in this way: x y bar z bar, x bar y bar z, x bar y z, x bar y z bar, which can be written in this way. How to simplify, you have to practice at home. Okay, so this will be my final result.
Sir, here one is missing X, Y, Z.
X, Y, Z कहाँ पे missing? कौन से line पे?
Sir, X, Y, Z, sir, A is equal to X, Y, Z one.
Sir, nothing is missing.
हाँ, सभी term पे है ना?
Third will be X, Y, Z.
X prime Y,
Sir,
Z.
X, Y, Z. Sir, simple X, Y, Z only. Loss.
X, Y, Z.
Yes, sir. Third element. Sir, third element.
Okay, third element.
Yes,
Third element.
Oh,
Third
element.
The second row, third element.
Okay, wait. I by mistake I have written, I think, this one. Let me check one thing. X, Y bar, Z bar. Then take this one. X bar, Y. This is X bar, Y, Z bar. Then one X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Okay. Then X bar, Y, Z bar. Now it is correct. Okay. It was my mistake. Thank you. Okay. Now in the similar way. Now, in the similar way, can we simplify C? Can we simplify C? In the similar way, can we simplify C?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You try. Those who know, some just try. हाँ, practice हो जाएगा अभी अभी. YZ 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay. So. From this I can write X, Z. From this I can write X, Y. From this I can write Y, Z. So
Y,
C
Z.
equal to X, Y, Y, Z plus X, Z. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now you have one assignment. It will be assignment 2. Okay. I can easily implement S and C using gates. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
the assignment 2 is that implement full adder using half adder. This is the assignment, and you have to submit the assignment by Thursday. Thursday is 7 January. Jan 7 2021 24 hours. ठीक है? I believe you can do. हाँ, हो जाएगा.
We have to
Sir,
submit,
we have
sir.
to submit in that old fashion that we did last time.
What? और एक बार बोलो.
Sir, we have to submit in the fashion like we did last
Sir,
time
yes,
in your email.
Yes, whatever. Yes, obviously. That's why I have
Yes.
given this one, na. So the name will be like that. Some BEE, then ASGN _ 2.
Yeah, yeah.
Assignment
Okay, sir.
2, then _ roll number. Okay. And file name and body heading of email that means heading of email, that should be same, file name and heading. ठीक है? Is
Sir,
there any
can
doubt?
we
हाँ बोलो.
just sir, can we just submit our assignment in MS Team?
No, because others can download it. Others can download it. That's why.
Okay, sir.
No, sir. There is an assignment section where you can, where we can upload, and nobody can download.
Sir, will you give more days, please?
Okay. Just try whether I don't know whether it is possible or not.
No,
Just wait 1 minute.
sir,
Okay,
there is
sir,
a problem
So
in
it's
MS
possible,
Team.
sir.
Sir,
No, sir, that
those who have
assignment
not
section.
laptops,
is the
they will
file
can't
section.
upload the file, sir. Sir,
Oh,
Sir,
okay,
sir,
okay,
everyone
okay,
can
okay.
upload, sir. Everyone can upload. It works on phone too.
Sir, everyone can upload.
It works on phone.
Even in phone
Sir,
also.
Sir, you,
Okay, just
sir,
wait.
you watch at the left side.
No, it's okay. Now just tell me, just if there is any one student, is there any objection, then we have to follow the email. Okay, so that's why.
Email only, sir.
Okay, how many students? Email. Bolo.
So we are already submitting
Me, sir.
practical assignments on MS
Yes, sir.
Team, so there
Yes,
wouldn't
sir.
be a problem, I
Then,
guess.
then assignment is good. Then assignment we can submit because you are already submitting. Okay, now
Yes, sir,
any
get
one student,
started.
okay, I am requesting any one student upload one file assignment right now in assignment box.
No, sir, we
Upload one
can
file.
do.
No, sir.
Till
we
you
should
can.
not,
You
You have to create an assignment.
No, sir.
yes,
Oh, I
sir.
have to
Just
create.
you have to.
Create,
Part
then
to create an
Only
assignment.
the
How to create?
organizer can do
Sir,
that.
click on get started.
Okay, get started. Let me guide करो मुझे. Let's started, then create.
So that create
Okay, then create assignment.
assignment. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. It is a good option. अरे बाप रे बाप.
Enter title, instruction, points, everything.
Full header.
Full
Okay.
header. Till last date, you can give the last date there, instruction.
हाँ रुको सर, थोड़ा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, मुझे इतना आता
sir,
नहीं है.
full header assignment 3. Sir, full
हाँ.
header assignment 3.
Yeah.
नहीं, full header assignment 2 है भाई. Full
Sir,
header.
2, sir.
Full header. ठीक है.
Assignment 2.
ठीक है, assignment 2 पहले लिख लेते हैं तो आसानी होगा. Assignment 2 full header.
Sir, in the instruction, you can write anything or add anything, any file if you want.
Sir, full added लिखा है.
You can write also
Full header.
question
हाँ,
also.
header. ठीक है. नहीं, question is known ना. You can, the question is known ना. हाँ, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
ठीक है, लिख देते हैं.
Sir, in the instructions, you
Implement
can write the question.
full header.
using half header.
Yes. FA using half header. HA. Okay. So
Yes.
now the question is clear. Then last date assignment is 7th January. Okay. Night 11:59. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after that, no one can submit. It is good option. Good. हाँ बोलो.
Sir,
हाँ
will you
बोलो.
give me 2 more days? I mean, will you give us 2 more days, please? Because we have 2 assignments on 7th and 8th actually. Sir,
Now the thing is that today is Monday, na? I'm giving 3 days extra.
yes, sir.
I can give
Sir,
3
if
days.
it would be 9th January, then it would be
9
convenient
January
to
it is
us.
extremely 9 January is extremely long. The thing is that it is a full letter. It is a 1-page assignment. इसीलिए.
Yes, sir. It's just a one question.
हाँ, simple one question. It is not a big. That means ये 2 marks का question आता है. समझ रहे हो? If it is comes in the end same, it will be maximum 2 marks or 3 marks. इसके लिए भी 3 marks. मतलब आज का डे है, 3.5 दिन दे रहा हूँ.
Sir, go ahead. Go with 7th January.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, it's okay. मैं 7 बोल रहा हूँ. You are telling 9, so 8. और बार्गिंग मत करना,
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है?
Make it 8.
Make it 8, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और मत
Yes, sir.
करना.
8, sir. 8.
8, ठीक है? Enjoy
So
करो.
then you have to click on assign.
हाँ, बस. और कुछ यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना है ना? बस ठीक है.
No, sir.
बिल्कुल सर. हाँ, time due. This one assign. ठीक है. Very good. Let's check.
Yes, sir. It's done.
It's done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me check.
Once
थोड़ा
we
देख.
submit, you will be able to see only you, no one else.
Okay. Okay. One student can upload how many files? One student can upload how many files?
One.
Only
I
one.
guess one.
One file,
Okay.
sir.
One or
Only
Sir,
one, sir.
they can
Okay.
merge the
One,
PDF.
sir.
They can merge PDFs and then
Yes, obviously
submit
only
it
one
in one
PDF.
page.
Only PDF. Okay, only PDF
Yes,
form.
sir.
Okay. Very good. देखने दो कैसे आता है वो
sir,
कभी
here
देखा
we'll
नहीं।
get the name and the time when a
Okay.
person submit.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So have you submitted any assignment earlier in using this format?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
practical
Yes, sir.
ET
कोई
assignment.
हाँ,
3D
कोई
assignment.
हाँ जस्ट वेट, कोई एक जिसके पास कंप्यूटर है वो एक शेयर करो अपना स्क्रीन। मैं अपना स्क्रीन को ये करो, तुम अपना स्क्रीन थोड़ा शेयर करके मुझे दिखाओ थोड़ा। तुम शेयर करो स्क्रीन अपना थोड़ा, मैं मुझे देखने दो। वेरी गुड। नहीं पहले टीम्स में जाओ ना, पहले टीम्स में जाओ। कहां से पहले, और ऑटोमेटिक टीम्स पे कहां से जा रहे हो वहां से जाओ, मुझे देखने दो फुल, मतलब फुल पाथ दिखाओ एकदम।
Sir, I have uploaded a file as an assignment. You can check it how it is displays.
नहीं वो बाद में करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी तो हम लोग का क्लास लेना है ना। जस्ट मुझे देखना है कहाँ पे when did you, where did you, okay, is there any file, yes or no? I think nothing is coming, I think right now. Okay, just you share one thing na, you just share one no I am telling, if you have submitted any assignment in any other group, you open that group and show me how it is coming. किसके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है क्या?
Yes, sir. It's like this.
Okay. Okay, you are doing
sir,
using your phone.
computer nahi. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I am doing in my tablet.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. ठीक है, थैंक यू। ठीक है, समझ गया। ओके ठीक है। तुम अपना ये शेयर ऑफ कर दो, समझ गया मैं, शेयर ऑफ कर दो। हाँ, वेरी गुड। नाउ लेट्स शेयर माय स्क्रीन अगेन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाँ, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। ये स्लाइड नंबर कितना है भाई? दिस वन।
Sir, now we have to only submit in the assignment section. Or
Yes,
both,
in assignment
email.
section. Not email. Don't write email. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
As per the file name. Okay. Just submit over here. Don't write any email. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Initially, yes, that's why. Don't write any email. It is very difficult to track all those assignment through email. Okay. Now let's move. Now, half subtractor. Subtractor means I have to perform A minus B operation. That means I have to follow 0 minus 0, answer is 0. 1 minus 0, answer is 1. 1 minus 1, answer is 0. 0 minus 1, answer is 1 with borrow 1. Okay, this is my rule. So here I am performing half subtractor, HS. Half subtractor. So here I am writing x and y, and then here result can we write? Okay, result is denoted by D and borrow B. This is result, borrow. So 0 0, what is the resultant? You see those table and bolo, koi ek bolo.
0 sir.
0
sir.
0, sir.
Okay, 0.
Borrow 0.
Then one, borrow is also 0. Okay.
Both are 0.
Then 1 minus 0,
One,
both are
sir.
0. Or 1, then borrow
0.
borrow 0. Very good.
0.
Then sorry, 0 0. Oh, I have done one.
0 1.
Just wait 1 minute. हाँ, क्योंकि टेबल करके लिखना चाहिए था, वो अच्छा होता है। 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now 0 0. So this is now 0 minus 1 0 minus 1, this one, this. So resultant is
Both
1
are
and
one.
borrow 1.
One
Then
more
1
zero.
minus 0. So 1 minus 0 means this one. So resultant 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1 means both are 0. Now again if I want to find the expressions of D, I will write simple. This is 0 and 1 and 0 and 1. So here D is taking this row and this row. So 0 1 means this row, this box, and 1 0 means this box. So D is nothing but x y prime plus x prime y. That means x XOR y. Is it clear? Is it clear? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
is it clear? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
similarly, we can write the K map for B also. For B, x and y, it is borrow B, so it is 0 1 0 1. So here we have only one. Okay, so here it is corresponding to 0 1. So this box. So that means B equal to x prime y. Now using the similar gate notation, if I give x and y, I should get over here. Then I have to perform one NOT operation that will provide me x prime. Then I need y. Then it should be ANDed. Then I will get x bar y. That means borrow. So in this way, we can easily simplify this circuit. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to proceed. In the similar fashion, if I perform full subtractor, means x minus y I will perform. Suppose I will get resultant D1 and borrow B1. Then this resultant I will perform the minus z karenge. Then I will get final D2 result and final B2 borrow. So that will be my resultant. Is it clear? Is it clear? So I have to perform nothing but x minus y minus z. Is it clear now? So I'm repeating. So if I have 3-bit subtractor, I will perform x minus y first. Then I will get approximate value of D1 and B1. D1 means the normal approximate resultant, and intermediate, that means intermediate resultant and intermediate borrow. Then from the resultant I will subtract again z. Okay, then I will get final resultant, that is expressed using D, and then I will get final borrow. Okay, so the thing is that the final resultant is written in this way, only B and D. So all those calculation has to be done manually or mentally. Okay, so here I am writing x, here it is y, here it is z. So again 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So okay, here we are writing D, and here it is borrow. Okay, just one student कौन किसको बोलूं? BT23 हो क्या? BT23 हाँ
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो, रिजल्टेंट क्या होगा? डी और बी कितना रिजल्ट आएगा? परफॉर्म ना 0 माइनस 0 कितना होता है? गॉड, हेलो
Sir, my internet is very slow. The slide I am not. The slide is stuck.
Okay, it's okay. You try to follow my recorded lectures. Okay, your friends is uploading. Okay, then CE71.
Yes, sir.
CE71. हाँ
Sir,
बोलो.
borrow is 0 and result is 0.
Very good, very good. Okay. Now CH10 ये तो हो गया मुना, I think इसको बुलाया अभी तक. CH639, CH639, CH639.
Yes sir,
हाँ
yes sir.
बोलो सेकेंड रो कितना होगा बोलो. 0 minus 0 कितना होता है? 0.
0.
And then minus again 1 कितना होगा? 1 and borrow 1.
1.
So my resultant 1 and borrow 1. Correct?
Yes sir.
Okay, but it was your duty ना, तुम्हें आंसर देना चाहिए था. ठीक है. CS159, CS159.
Yes sir.
बोलो कितना होगा? 0 minus 1.
0. D
0
will
minus
be
1.
1
रुको जरा.
and
0
borrow
minus
will
1
be
that
1.
means 1 and borrow 1. Okay. Then you have 0. So then minus again subtract 0 कितना होगा?
D will be 1 and B will be
borrow
1.
1. Very good, very good. Okay, very good. Then CS tetra 1, char 1, CS tetra 1, CS tetra 1 कौन है?
Present sir. Present
हाँ
sir.
बोलो 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 कितना होगा बोलो. 0 minus 1.
Minus 1, borrow 1 and
0 minus 1 means 1, borrow 1. Okay. Then again subtract minus 1. So subtract minus 1. So it is 0 and here the borrow 1. Borrow 1 तो पहले यहाँ से था ना already.
Yes sir.
So borrow 1, resultant 0. Clear or not?
0. Yes sir.
Sir, you have written.
Sir, you
Okay, I
have
have
written wrong.
wrong. उल्टा लिख दिया मैंने, उल्टा लिख दिया, sorry. यहाँ पे लिखना था वो वहाँ पे लिख दिया, sorry. Borrow 1, resultant 0. Okay. So in this way can we perform rest of the rows? In this way can we perform rest of the rows? कर सकते हैं?
Sir, already written.
Okay, very good. Very good. So I am writing you verify.
Yes, sir.
Any student is facing
Yes, sir.
any-
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is same.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Excellent. Any student facing any issue while evaluating borrow and resultant? Any student facing any issue while evaluating those borrow and D result, B and D? Any student? Any one student? अगर कोई है तो बोलो. कोई है तो बोलो. No student. Okay. So in this similar way, कोई है क्या? बोलो. Okay, no student. So in this similar way, can we evaluate the expression for D? Can we evaluate the expression for D using the K map?
Yes sir.
X, Y, Z. हाँ तो करो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we are trying to follow evaluate D. D means this row 0 0 1 0 0 1. This box 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. This box. Then this row 1 0 0 1 0 0. This box. Then this 1 1 1 1 means this. Okay. So it is better to write in different color. So from this we can easily write D equal to this box, that means x bar, y bar, z bar, then this point x prime, y prime, z, then this one x, y, z, then this box x prime, y, z. Okay. Similarly, we can easily evaluate. Similarly, we can easily
X prime, y, z prime.
Sir, x bar z plus x bar y plus yz.
हाँ z prime.
X bar z plus x bar y plus yz.
क्या बोल रहे हो भाई?
सर बोरो वाले का आंसर.
ओ बोरो वन. अच्छा नहीं मुझे पता नहीं अभी. अच्छा इसीलिए मुझे करने दो ना. इतना तो पता नहीं है. Very good. You are very fast. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is for borrow. So it is 0 1. So this borrow is here. It is 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 means this box. this one 0 1 0 0 1 0, this one 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this one 1 1 1. Okay, so I can combine this one, means here I will get x prime z, then from this I will get x prime y, and from this I will get x नहीं, x नहीं आएगा, yz. So b is nothing but x bar z plus x bar y plus yz. Okay, so we know d and we know b, we can easily compute. Okay, is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Okay.
Sir, we have to further simplify b and d.
हाँ, और एक बार बोलो, क्या बोले हो?
Sir, we have to further simplify b and d.
No, you don't have to simplify, because it is already we have simplified using Carnot map.
So it won't be simplified anymore.
Yes, that's why after using K-map, there may not be simplified, but you can express it is a XOR operation. This D can be simplified as a XOR
that
operation.
can be done.
That can be done like a full adder. Okay, rest of the things are similar. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So you don't have to simplify. Okay, now let's proceed to next slide. It is extremely important. So it will also be considered in assignment 2. BCD. What is the meaning of BCD? Binary coded decimal. Can you remember BCD? Yes. We have learned.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
BCD.
Yes, sir.
So it is also known as 8421 code. कितना time है देखने दो मुझे.
Yes, sir.
अभी भी time है. BCD code. Now in BCD code, what was our notations? We can express from 0 to 9 only. Agree? Agree? 0 to 9.
Yes,
can you remember? Okay.
Yes,
now
yes,
0 to 9 means 9 means greater than 8, and 8 is means 2 to the power 3 means 8. So if I want to represent 9, I need 4 bit. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we can express in the BCD from 0 to 9. Suppose in BCD and decimal both are same, na? Up to 0 to 9, whatever you will write in decimal, the same thing will appear in the BCD normally. Okay. Now here I am coming XS3. XS3 code. Here, suppose you have one decimal data. Whatever the data it will come, you have to add 3 to obtain XS3. XS3. Okay, let's write full XS3 code. So if the decimal is 0 in XS3, it will be 3. Agree? In decimal, if we have 0 in XS3, it will be 3. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Decimal, if
Yes,
we have
sir.
1, we will have कितना होगा? In XS3 में कितना?
4, sir.
4.
4.
In decimal, if we have 5, in XS3, what we will have?
8.
8. In decimal, if we
8.
have 9, we will have 12. Okay. So in this way.
Yes, sir.
So in BCD, then suppose I'm writing decimal, then I'm writing XS3. XS3 code. Okay. So in BCD, what we can write from 0, 1, 2 up to this 7, 8, 9. No other data we can write greater than 9. Okay. So in decimal equivalent of all data is also 0, 1, 2. It is 7. It is 8 and it is 9. Up to this, is there any doubt? BCD and decimal relation.
No,
Up
sir.
to this, is there any
No,
doubt?
sir.
Okay. Now
No, sir.
you have the decimal equivalent. Now you add 3. You add 3 with decimal. Then whatever you will get, it is XS3. Then it is the direct conversion from BCD to XS3. So in XS3, 0 will be represent 3. In XS3, 1 will be represent using 4. In XS3, 2 will be represent using 5. 4, 5, 6. Then there will be 6, 7, 8. Sorry, रुको जरा. 5, एक्सेस 3 मींस
7 sir.
यहाँ पे 5
7.
होगा, यहाँ पे कुछ तो, oh मैंने 3 भूल गया, I forgot to write 3, that's why it is giving wrong result. Okay, so that's why. So let's write छोटा छोटा करके 3 4 5 6. So then it will be 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 7 it will be appeared as a 10, then 8 will appear as a 11, and 9 will appear as a 12. Now BCD code, it is a 4-bit code. Agree?
Sir, shouldn't we write 10, 11, 12 as ABC?
It is hexadecimal. Is it hexadecimal?
No, sir.
So that's why we cannot write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's why you wait, na. The thing is that it is a 4-bit. 4-bit means A3, A2, A1, A0. What is the maximum value we can express? 15, up to 15. So all the 12 can be expressed using 4-bit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why here, for as we don't write the 12 in directly. It is a normal XS3 code. It is not hexadecimal. That's why you do not need any other conversion. Okay. So as it is a 4-bit operation. Suppose I want to express 9. Let's go to next data. Okay, 9. Let's here decimal value. Here it is BCD code. In BCD code, I am writing using 4-bit and XS3 code. Time हो गया क्या? 2 मिनट दे दो. XS3 code here I am writing using 4-bit W, X, Y, Z. In decimal, 0 is corresponding to 4 digit. 4 digit में बोलो कितना है 0 का value?
0 0 0 0 0.
XS3 में 0 is equivalent to 3. 3 means this
0
one.
0 1 1.
0 0 1 1. Very good, very good. You complete the table up to 9. You complete. Okay, by yourself. Those who knows, you complete the table. Then 4. Up to this, is there any doubt for any student? Because here it will be 4. No, here it will be equivalent to 4. Bolo.
Sir, I didn't understand.
The thing is that it is a decimal, na? It is decimal. 0 is decimal. Just in the previous slide I shown. Now, if I want to express the 0 in BCD code, so I have to use 8421 kind of notation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
4-bit. So 0 is represented using 4-bit. So 40. Up to this, is there any doubt? Up to this, is there any doubt?
No, sir. It's clear.
Now XS3 is nothing but decimal plus 3 value. So 0 plus 3 means 3. So 3 has to be written using 4-bit here. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now this one. Now in decimal 1. So in BCD code mein decimal 1 has to be written in 4-bit. So it is 0001. Up to this, is it clear? Up to this, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Then XS3 mein kitna hoga? Plus 3, that means 4. So 4 has to be represented using 4-bit. 0100. Okay. So in similar way, 2 is nothing but in BCD code. Sorry, BCD code में ये आता है
0010.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 3 5 हो जाएगा. 5 means 1
0101.
So 3 means 0011.
0011.
यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 3 plus 3 6 आएगा ना?
Sir, 6 0110.
0110.
So in this way, can we write up to 9? Up to 9 we can write this one.
Yes.
And 12 means 8 4. Up to this, so 8 को भी लिख देता हूँ. 11 0 1 1. Okay. In intermediate you can write. Now, if I want to use K-map, I have 4 variable. Because I want to convert BCD to XS3 code. Okay, so there will be A, B, C, D. How many boxes there are? कितना box रहेगा यहाँ पे? 16.
16 rows, sir.
Suppose this I'm writing for W. So here, how many rows are there? 10 rows, 0 to 9, 10 rows. So rest 16 datas can be, sorry, not 16, rest 6. 10, 11, 12, up to this, up to 15. We can consider don't care. Because here we cannot write those things, na? Don't care. Are you getting my point?
So I think we should continue in this class. We have a class now.
Okay. Let's stop this class. Okay, let's stop this class right now. You have another class.
Biology class.
We will learn this on Thursday. Okay, we will learn this topic Thursday. We'll start from this slide. Okay.
Yes. So please take attendance.
हाँ वही बोल रहा हूँ. Just wait 1 minute. Don't leave. Just wait 1 minute. अरे भाई किसका वीडियो आ गया यहाँ पे?